about me. Yeah, Jazzy B. I'm not out here in the streets. I'm out here grinding, trying to save timing. And I can't play, but I be rhyming. Hey, Jazzy B on the beat. Yeah, she a real queen. Take a real man, please. I have to do a hair detox today, cause y'all, I am experiencing some buildup. And the last few times that I retwisted, I did use a different product. Instead of making my flaxseed gel like I normally do. And I guess you could say I'm paying for it, because I don't think I had any experiences with buildup when I was using the flaxseed gel. But so pretty much what we're using today is baking soda, lemon juice, and this is just a Great Value brand. And some apple cider vinegar. Now, I got this big old gallon for $4, and it's the Walmart brand. I'm not really sure like how it's going to turn out, like if there's a difference, but I went with quantity because the regular I think size bottle is $4, 4.64 or something like that. So I was like, more bang for my buck. Plus, I also do retwist for some other ladies, and they'll be needing a detox as well. All right, so just gonna submerge my head in. I'm gonna let it soak, probably 15-20 minutes before I rinse it and do it again. So the first thing that you'll notice whenever you put your locks into the water is you'll hear it start fizzing. The baking soda starts working right away. You start hearing those clean popping sounds, and you just want to work all the mixture in your locks. Work it as much as you can, as long as you can stand it, until you see no buildup. As my locks are soaking, I am doing my best to go through each lock individually and trying to squeeze out any excess buildup that may be stuck in there. So when I say work those locks, I'm saying each one needs its own set of attention. Y'all, that's how the water looks after my first soaking. So I'm about to empty this out. Good morning. Yes, y'all, gotta detox these locks, honey. When you find yourself trying to let go of some bullshit, detox. Yes, nice clean locks for a lock queen, you heard. This seems to be the most efficient way, by standing backwards. So I can get these locks all marinated and ready to go. Yeah, ready to see the results. This is my third rinse right here, or third soak I mean. So I'll be rinsing and washing after this one. As you can see, I am not done. I have to detox one more time at least, or at least give it a go, because I still have plenty of buildup and more work to do. See that buildup on my finger? Now I am going to back up my detox with washing with Ion Clarifying Shampoo. Ion Purify. It says that it helps eliminate buildup, residue, and dullness from hair. Um, so I'm hoping that this will kind of take care of the rest of the buildup that I had in my hair, but we'll see. When I'm shampooing my hair, I make sure to do it sections at a time. I like to work my whole lock from root to end, just to make sure I'm not leaving anything behind. And I'll do small sections as well. And as you can see, I'm just rubbing it all in. I'm making sure the whole lock is nice and sudded. Whenever it suds, that's also another sign that says, hey, your hair is pretty clean. So just keep that in mind. So when you first wash your hair and it doesn't sud up, that means you still have a lot of dirt and whatnot left in your hair. When you wash it again, you go back for that second wash, and it starts bubbling up without a problem, that means your hair is close to godliness. And it is time to rinse. Let's take a look. Yay, y'all. I don't see any buildup. It looks good. So what I've done is I wrapped my hair in an old dress. I might have to rock this one day for real though. This is cute. Yeah, I'm feeling anyway. And I'm not retwisting today. I'm just gonna live the rest of my life like it's golden. So the next thing, but y'all look good. Okay, skin, cut through skin. Yes, giving me energy. I need to go outside. Actually, I ain't going outside. It's cold over here in Florida, and you know when your hair is wet, you need to have a seat. But hopefully this detox was helpful to you. I enjoyed making the video. I always like to share you guys, share my journey, my hair journey with y'all. It's done. I did it. We did it. Cause you were there. All right, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment and share. Help a sister out, okay? You need to help your fellow lot queen, all right? Build up is an easy fix. You just have to treat it, okay? So just take care of it. Maintain. Stay cute. Stay fly. You heard? All right. Peace. Heard you asking about me. Yeah, Jazzy B. I'm not out here in the streets. I'm out here grinding, trying to save time, and I can't play, but I be rhyming. Hey, Jazzy B on the beat. Yeah, she a real a real man to please.